So this is what it looks like so far. That's probably not easy. Right. That's gonna be really hard. You know? And then putting the tire back, that's probably not any easier. We literally have the wonkiest spare tire ever. That's what.
All right, so day 3 started out a little rocky because we had a flat tire. Passenger side rear tire was flat, and then I go down into Andrews. Well, we all went down into Andrews and went to a tire shop, and dude repaired it in like 5 minutes. So we're back on track for our adventure after maybe an hour detour, going to Morning Fog. This is the place all the locals rant and rave about. Got some type of protein thing, and a lavender and coffee coming out. I also got a lavender iced latte. The food was amazing. The cheese was kind of, I don't know what the word for when something tastes stinky, but that's what it was. Okay, so we just finished at the Morning Fog. Yeah, that's what it's called, Morning Fog, and we're going to head back home, but we are going to hit up some general stores and stuff, so. Must check. Still alive. So we just pulled up to this little outfitter store, and there's like a general store over there. We're in the middle of the mountains, and then there's like on the other side of this store where they sell kayaks. It's pretty cool. The other side of the store is a river. Maybe I can get a view of that. Be pretty cool. Be cool. Lucky for me, probably weigh. Is that locked? Oh wow! Look at that. This is beautiful. The Big Wesser Riverside Pub. Man, this is so sick. Beautiful. What you think, bud?
Sure.
What you think?
I like this.
It's nice.
Yeah.
Very nice. Starting to get wet. I don't like that. So we just went to Nantahala Outdoor Center. We went across the street because they have restrooms there, but they had this cool little creek over here. I thought that was nice. It's pretty nice over here. Us outdoorsy people, we like going outdoors off the beaten path, and now we're back on the beaten path. The adventure for the day. So that's the outdoor center right there, and then we came across the street here because they got bathrooms. I got a frisbee. Can't wait to play with it outside once it starts cooling down. So I only have to wait a couple months. It's gonna be great. So this is like more like a convenience store, I think. Beer and snacks.
We're huge dog people around here. Love it.
Oh my gosh, it's Lamina Mall. These are some fun little like mixes. Alright, so we have landed. We've arrived in Bryson City, North Carolina. This is the place where they do the Polar Express on during Christmas time. But I think it's just like a Rocky Mountain whatever place. Tire's still alive, which is good. Found told you guys. That store was a little creepy. Armpit's old store. Oh gosh.
Why are you following me everywhere?
Because I feed you. Hook knife. That's pretty cool. The girls are jaywalkers and went over there to the market, but we're going to be law-abiding citizens. We're rule followers. We don't do this junk. Brian's got some new shades. It looks sick. Another awesome little store. Smells so good. Oh yeah, those are awesome. Dogs are your favorite? There it is. That's awesome.
Oh, cute.
This store is extra awesome because it smells good, because right through there is a bakery, and so you can smell the bread while you're looking at shoes. Well, we just met a content creator in that store, and she has quite the following, which is pretty cool, and so she gave me some tips and pointers, so that's fun. That's fun. I like these flowers. Tell them about your channel. What's your channel called?
My channel's just called Jeremiah Messer, but you should subscribe.
Absolutely. Don't subscribe here. Subscribe on his channel.
Yeah.
Like and subscribe, but not this video. Like and subscribe on his videos.
Yeah.
I don't even know if YouTube's aware that I'm on it yet. Very pretty river. Wow. We were gonna eat there, but they're closing in like 15 minutes. Sandra D's Fried Pies. Ooh, a candy store. And ice cream. And pralines. And brittles. I would pass away if I ate there. Ice cream shop. This is nice. Delicatessen. High test. Thanks, Brian. Oh, this is very cool. The other side. Okay, that place was awesome. It was very good, very homey. They had like my 7th and 8th hot dog of the week, which is just
This way.
dog and serious. But the best dogs I've had, Costco or the Dog House, which was like 2 videos ago, which was awesome. This is cool. This is what's McClanahan's? Yeah. Oh, they got the bear, the brass bear. I act like that's a thing that's common. It's not. This looks like you're like run the mill, like just general gift shop, which is always fun to look through. Lamania Mall has a cowboy hat on. Very cool. Oh, they have the mountain charms. These things sound amazing whenever you're in a cabin and they have them. That's the dream. That's the dream to have one of those bad boys.
Only 700.
Going here to the Appalachian Mercantile. Books and maps. Smells like cigarettes. The smell of cigarettes is overwhelming. Okay. I've seen enough. That was very satanky. Very, very satanky. I like the fun mushroom lamps. First time I've ever seen like Pokemon cards just chilling out like that. My kid. You guys got bus left. These shops that we keep going into. If you've ever been down to the beach and there's all those surf shops that like you walk into the mouth of a shark. It's like that, but in the mountains. Ooh, candy. My blood sugar is going up with the smell. That man has a dog. It's the other side of that river. Pretty nice. Getting drugs. wasn't expecting this music. It's fun. I love class that looks like this. Pretty sure it's supposed to be, I could be wrong. I thought it was supposed to be Blanco, like with an L. That's cool. How they used to get, like I know for sure with the Fenton classes that they would get that red with using gold, 24 karat gold, so that's what makes it so expensive. Got some more cameras, which is pretty cool. Well, that was fun. I think we're about to leave Bryson City and head back towards South Carolina. Could be wrong. I don't know. We'll see. Alright, so that was it. That's the end of our vacation. I'll continue with other videos, but that's at least the end of the vacation to the mountains with these guys, which was so fun. So, yeah. Like and subscribe.